Hi, I'm Ananya Pandey and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
We have with us Ananya Pandey. She has delivered a fantastic performance in Student of the Year Part 2. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood
Thank
Hungama.
you so much, sir.
It was really, I think, a wonderful performance that you
you.
delivered. What sort of feedback have you got?
I think a lot of people liked my performance, and I think especially because my character is something that they didn't expect me to be, because I think my real life personality, people think it's very quiet and very innocent. So when they saw me on screen, they were like, oh my God, you can do that.
Right.
So I think just seeing that difference between my real life and my on-screen presence was what people complimented. Yeah.
Right. Okay, and what sort of growth have you seen in yourself as a person after this performance?
Actually, because we shot this film a year ago, like we started shooting last May. So I feel like when I was watching the film, I didn't even feel like it was me because we shot it so long back. So a lot of people were like, oh, did you feel weird watching yourself on screen? But I didn't even think it was me because I feel like I've grown so much just as a person and just by being on set, because shooting Student was my first experience ever being on a set as well. So everything that I've learned about films is on the sets of Student. So I think already in Pati Patni aur Wo there'll be a big change, hopefully.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
And अगर आपके हम किरदार के बारे में बात करें तो बहुत ही दिलचस्प किरदार है. शुरुआत होती है एक बहुत ही नॉटी हैं और काफ़ी आई थिंक फनी वे में नॉटी हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज अ बैक स्टोरी टू इट एंड कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द बैकग्राउंड एंड आई थिंक दैट मेक्स इट very interesting, and you start empathizing with the character, which becomes interesting. So you have a graph. I think any character which has a graph is always interesting. It's not having a linear approach. आपने as an actor आपने कैसे approach किया?
So when you're shooting the film, you don't shoot it linearly, obviously. Like you shoot it like at random parts and stuff. So I couldn't really follow that graph when I was shooting because we did random things at random times. But I think because it was my first film, I was really dependent on Puneet. Like I don't think I even looked at the monitor. If he okayed a shot, I would be okay with it. And right after a shot, I would just look at his face and be like, and he would be like, yeah, and then I'd be like, okay, fine. So I think I've just been very dependent on a director, and I think as an actor, I've not experienced that much, but I think I am a director's actor, so I rely heavily on approval, especially from people on set.
So I was researching about you, and I realized that you've said that the movie that changed your life was Student of the Year.
Yeah.
And you're part of Student of the Year too. And you were 14 when you watched it, and you sat on the ground and you watched it. So tell us about that experience when you watched the movie for the first time. And
so I've always wanted to be an actor.
Part 2.
I think I've always wanted to be an actor. Growing up, I don't think I know anything else. I've just always wanted to be an actor. And I love watching Bollywood films. Like I only watch Hindi films. I rarely watch English films. So I think Student of the Year there was a screening or something, and all the adults were going, like all the parents were going, because it was really late at night, and I had to beg my mom to let me go for the screening. And she let me come, and there was no space for us to sit. So we sat on the floor, and I just remember looking up at Alia, and I was like, this is all I want to be in life. Like I want to be exactly like Alia. I want to play a character like Shania. I want to be in a film like Student of the Year. And I think after that moment, I thought of it so much and I willed it so much into my life that the universe actually made it happen.
You also said that the movie dialogue that really is close to your heart is "मैं तो पैदा ही hot हुई थी" from Humpty Sharma की.
It's not close to my heart, but I used to keep saying it after I heard it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and so would you say that Alia Bhatt is your role model in a way?
Yeah, I look up to Alia a lot. I think she's my favorite actor, and she has been from the very beginning. And I just find her career graph so interesting because I think when she came, she was so young, and I'm so young as well. And I don't think she ever claimed to be perfect. Like, she would make fun of herself. She made mistakes at the start, but people have seen her grow in every single film. Like in every film, she just gets better and better. And I think that's it's a more interesting journey to have where people are watching you grow. Like, people are literally growing up with you. So I think rather than just being perfect all the time, I think making mistakes, learning from them, and people seeing you do that is more interesting, and that's why I like Alia.
And I think there's an interesting story that you got that bag of Alia from Student of the Year. So tell us that story. What exactly is that story?
So the song that Gulabi Aankhein. So she's walking around and she has like all these bags and she's carrying. So one bag in particular, there was this yellow small clutch, and Karan actually had all the bags from the set. So he gave one to Sohana, who's my best friend, as a gift, and Sohana had 2 of them. So she gave me that one. So, but it's the bag from Student, and I kept it really safely because I was like, Alia's carried this bag, and also I think it's cool how it just worked out.
Apparently, Shah Rukh Khan is very fond of you as well.
Oh, yeah.
He's Suhana's
Dad,
father.
yeah.
So tell us your experience of being around Shah Rukh Khan since your childhood.
So I've grown
And
up
now,
around
how does he
him.
look at you?
So I've grown up around him, and when we were younger, he would help us with everything. Like if we had sports day coming up, he would have practice races at his house, so he would help us with that. And when we were younger, when we wanted to record something or when we wanted to do photo shoots, he would take photos of us and he'd take videos of us. So we have a lot of memories with him growing up, and he's like trained me a lot in a way, trained all of us actually. And now I think even when he watched the film, it was a very like surreal feeling for him, because he called me after and he's like, I can't believe I'm telling you this, but you were so good, and it's so like weird for me to watch you on screen. And
Ji.
so I think that compliment meant a lot to me, because yeah.
All right. So your next film is Pati Patni
Yeah.
और वो and somehow आपकी जिंदगी में एक जो triangle जो बना हुआ
attract love
है
triangles.
real life और real life में वो बहुत interesting होता जा रहा है. अभी कार्तिक आर्यन से एक शो में पूछा गया कि that if you have to choose between Sara and Ananya, so उन्होंने आपको चुना है.
Sweet.
जी. So because he says that I know Ananya more.
Better, yeah.
That ways. And पिछले इंटरव्यू में जो आपने कहा था कि that मैं सारा और कार्तिक के बीच में कबाब में हड्डी नहीं बनना चाहती. That interview that got around 1.5 million views on Bollywood Hungama. So that shows the level of interest that people
That
have
people have in this triangle. Yeah.
in this triangle. So tell us about triangle.
There's no
Real and
triangle. I think me as a person, I'm so young and I'm 20, and I think it's normal to have a crush, and I'm very open about my feelings. I'm very open about the people I have crushes on, but I'm so young, my crushes change also all the time. So I think it's just fun. Everyone's having fun. Yeah. And we're all working together, so I think it's fun.
That's about it.
That's about it.
That's about it.
That's
Okay,
about
so
it. All the love triangles I'm saving for the film.
oh, the love
Nothing
triangles.
in real life. Yeah.
So tell us about Pati Patni or Wo. What exactly is the movie all about?
So it's not exactly a remake of the original, but it's obviously the concept is the same, but it's a very modern version. I think it's a version that people can relate to today. I think everyone can watch it and just like relate to some part of it, and you know, it's like a universal feeling kind of in a way. And it's a more comedy, it's like a comedy film, and I think Karthik's look in it is also very different and very cool.
Okay.
And haven't you seen those memes of him where that where he's the mustache, and then
Yeah,
they're like how
obviously.
you show your
Obviously.
parents and then
Yes.
how you show your friends.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that film is very interesting, and I think the casting is also very interesting. So I'm very excited to work with Bhumi, because she's such a good actor, and I think Karthik and I have amazing chemistry. So
All right, so one thing pretty interesting about you is that you have a sense of humor and you can take a joke on yourself. You also said that you really like it when there are memes on
Yeah.
you, which is, I think, pretty interesting.
Yeah.
So tell us, why do you say that?
because I think it's so much fun. Like my dad always says that you should just be happy that people are talking about you, you know. So he always takes a joke on him in such a good way, and I think it's funny. It's all in light humor, and I mean, obviously, even when it's criticism, if it's constructive, it's good. But all these memes and stuff, I think that's just how our generation is, and I think it's funny. I think you have to take it in that spirit, and you'll be fine.
What about song and dance? Do you really enjoy that?
I love dancing. I dance a lot, and especially on Bollywood music, and I know all the hook steps of all the songs. So like me and my group of 6 girls, like we know all the steps of every single Bollywood song. Don't make me do it, because what if I don't know it right now?
No
but I
problem.
swear, whenever we go to parties, like we form this like formation, and everyone's doing all the steps and stuff. So yeah, singing I'm not very good at, but I still do it. I know you're a very good singer.
But you know, there's a lot of requests if you can please hum a few lines for us.
But
Please.
y'all have had Tara sing. I don't think y'all want me to sing
No,
after
please.
that.
There's a
But
huge
I am
request.
very bad at singing. I can sing for you, but I'm not good.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
What song?
You've said that bathroom singing you like. Any song that you want. Any song that you've always liked.
Does anyone? You tell me, what's your favorite song?
Is something that you are comfortable with.
Can you sing with me? Then you can stop in the middle.
Okay, I'll do that. Which song do you want to do?
You
that?
start. I'll join you.
नहीं, but आप start करिए ना.
I don't.
आप start.
Too much pressure. Okay.
आप
मैं
start.
तेनू समझावां कि ना तेरे बाजू लगदा जी. Okay, बस.
Fantastic.
Horrible.
Fantastic.
Please, I'm
No,
not
it
a
was-
singer.
it was-
Please don't judge me. Please watch my
it was-
films. I'm acting, not a singer.
Alright, so rapid fire with Ananya Pandey. What are the best compliment that you received for Student of the Year Part 2 and from whom?
I think my favorite one has to be my father's, and he was like, I can't believe you're my daughter.
Wow.
Yeah.
What 3 things or qualities every ideal boyfriend must have?
Sense of humor, loyalty, and I feel like friendship. Like, you know, you need to have a solid friendship and then only you can
Okay.
date.
What is the worst thing about being a celebrity's daughter?
Comparisons, but that's also a good thing. But it's also a bad thing.
All right. What's that one thing that Tara Sutaria has you wish you had?
Oh, good voice. Yeah.
Okay. How would you describe following people in one word, please? Kartik Aaryan,
Funny.
Shah Rukh Khan,
Second dad. That's 2 words, but second dad.
Sara Ali Khan,
Witty.
Karan Johar.
Everything.
If your house was on fire, what 3 things would you run back in to get?
Okay, my family will be safe, right? So I don't need to say.
Yeah,
My
absolutely.
family and dogs will be outside.
Ji,
Na?
ji.
Haan, okay. Then I'll probably say. So I have this wall in my room that has all my photos, like pictures of people that I care about. So I'll save. That's one thing.
Ji.
My laptop would be another thing, and my soft toy that I sleep with.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. What one needs to do to become Ananya's best friend?
I think just be real. Just keep it real. I don't like fake people.
What sort of a scorpion are you?
What kinds are there? I think I'm a Scorpio in every way.
Please define yourself.
I'm a little crazy. I'm very expressive. I'm very honest. Yeah, that's Scorpio.
Who looks hotter shirtless, Kartik Aaryan or Tiger Shroff?
Tiger.
If you could, what would you? If you could, what would you? If you could ask a genie for anything.
Anything.
Ji.
Like every movie that's been made in Bollywood, I want to be a part of it.
If you could put yourself in any Bollywood classic.
Ooh.
Ji.
Is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai counted as a classic?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so Kuch Kuch Hota
If you could get any one superpower.
Hai. Fly. I've always wanted to fly.
If you could rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in following things. Driving.
Minus 100.
Keeping secrets.
Oh, 11. I'm very good at keeping secrets.
Singing.
5. I don't think I'm bad. I'm not even good. But I sing. I think for confidence, I should get like 5.
Actor.
I can't decide. 6, 7. You all
Okay.
decide. Tell me in the comments. Actually, don't. Don't be mean.
In telling lies.
I like lying for fun. Like, I lie about stupid stuff just to like make up things, like
And-
just for kicks. So I'm a good liar. I think 8.
Quick replies in one word, please. Name a book you read that positively shaped you.
I love Harry Potter, the Harry Potter series.
Which is your most favorite web series?
Game of Thrones.
A Hindi film that you watched more than 10 times.
Every Dharma film, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Luck by Chance.
What nickname your parents call you by?
Many. My dad calls me Oste Poste. He calls me Anne. What's the plan? He calls me Anchu, Anchi. stuff
Ah,
like
that's
that.
interesting.
Yeah.
And your mom?
Both of them. Anchu, Anchi, Anne. Yeah.
And what about your dadi? I saw that video of yours.
Yeah.
with
My daddy just
your-
calls me hottie or actor or
Right.
student. Yeah.
So at 83, she was dancing
Yeah, on Ye Jawani, yeah,
that was amazing.
yeah.
Amazing attitude.
Song, like it defines her. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Wow. One actor you'd definitely like to romance on screen.
Varun.
Varun Dhawan?
Yeah.
Okay, anything in the pipeline?
I hope so.
Ananya, we've taken a few fan questions. Sajid Ahmad Mir from Kupwara, Kashmir. With which actor you're dying to work with?
Varun Dhawan. Dying. I've been like when Student of the Year 1 came out, my wallpaper was a picture of Varun.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Darish Naiku from Pont Natural, Mauritius.
Wow.
How close are you to Shah Rukh Khan? He seems to be very fond of you.
Like I said, he's like a second father to me. I've grown up around him, so I'm extremely close.
All right, this is Pankaj from Dhanbad. What is the best thing you like in Varun Dhawan?
Everything. I think he's so charming, he's so cute, and he has such a nice screen presence. I think he's just the cutest.
Okay, Priya from Singapore. Which movie of her dad is her favorite? One actor she would love to work with any day. So I think
Varun, I
one day.
said.
Varun,
yeah.
you already said. Which
and
movie
actually,
of-
Varun's father's film of my dad, Aankhe, is my favorite film.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
What a film.
What a film.
And what a
what a
success.
star cast and what
a success.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Pandey is also like a superstar in Bangladesh.
Yeah, he
which
is.
Which is
yeah,
pretty interesting.
actually, yeah. Yes.
So how do you look at that aspect of his?
I mean, a lot of people
career?
have told me, but I've never been able to experience that success firsthand because I think it was around the time that I was born, so I was very, very young. But a lot of people have told me this. Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. Manu Siege from Kolkata. Ma'am, share one amazing experience on the sets of Student of the Year Part 2 you had. Tell something about Pati Patni Aur Wo. Huge fan of yours, ma'am.
Oh, how
Manu
sweet.
Siege from Kolkata.
I love Kolkata. I think my favorite memory on Student would be when we went to Mussoorie to shoot. We were there for 45 days, and I think that was the longest time I've not met my family. So I think they became my family. And we went Rishikesh as well, and we went river rafting. So that was a lot of fun. And there's a video actually of Puneet pushing me into
Yes, yes.
the yeah, so that was a lot of fun. We did a lot of fun things. I think whatever scenes Tara, Tiger and I were in together was super interesting because love triangle.
Right.
And yeah, and something about Pati Patni Aur Wo, I think it's very different from Student. And I think you'll see me in a slightly older avatar.
Okay, this is Ellen from Kurdistan, Iraq. How she feels about the response that she got after Student of the Year Part 2 releasing?
I feel like I'm living in a dream. Like I just feel like this has not actually happened because I've wanted this my entire life. So like sometimes I feel like when I'm meeting people, I'm like, oh, my film is going to release, but it's
Ji.
actually released already. But I'm so
Right.
used to saying that, oh, Student of the Year, it's coming out 10th May, but it's already come out. So I'm just in these like mixed emotions.
Right. In fact, you posted one picture of yours on Twitter
Yeah.
when you signed an autograph for the first
Yeah,
time.
yeah, for the first time, yeah.
So, how is the experience now when you must be signing it very regularly and getting pictures clicked?
I feel like now it feels a lot better because I feel like people have watched the film and they've liked my performance and that's why they're taking my autograph.
Ji.
And when they talk about the film and what they liked in the film and my performance, that's just a feeling I've been waiting for my entire life. So first it was like, okay, she's becoming an actor, but now I'm already an actor and people have appreciated that. So that's why it feels a lot better.
You're now into endorsements,
Yeah.
your hoardings are
Yeah.
everywhere.
So weird to see.
How's that feeling?
It's so weird. Like I was driving with my friends in the car and then suddenly I see my face and I'm like, oh my god, that's me. And I'm like taking my phone and recording myself, but it's weird. I am with 2 brands.
This
and more
is-
to come.
Sure, I'm sure. This is, the name is not there, but it is from Kathmandu, Nepal. Devil B Kalpa. That's the handle.
Interesting.
Which is your favorite holiday destination? And for your information, I love you so much.
Oh, love you too for your information. And I love going lots of love. I love going to New York. It's my favorite city in the world.
All right, this is Fennel Seta from Mumbai. In Student of the Year Part 2, we saw you celebrating your birthday alone. In real life, how do you like celebrating your birthday? How would you react if nobody remembers your birthday?
My birthday is so important to me. I literally celebrate my birthday month, my birthday week, the week after my birthday. I just love birthdays. So I think if no one remembered my birthday, that would be the worst feeling in the world because I love birthdays and I love getting attention and gifts and love and I love birthdays. So please don't, it's 30th October, please don't forget.
All right, this is Ankit Saswat from Bihar. What is a habit that she wants to change in her life?
Ooh, I think when, I think I'm on my phone too much. I wish I wasn't on my phone that much.
Okay, this is Malhar from Rajkot. My question is that who is your role model or the person whose life story inspires you the most? Apart from Alia Bhatt.
Stole my answer. I think Karan is a super inspiration to me because he does everything. Like he just does everything. And you know, when someone is doing everything, they sometimes are not being able to pay attention to the things that they are doing. But he's full focus in every single thing he does.
Ji, bilkul.
So I think that's just amazing that he just does everything and he does it so well and he gives everyone as like so much attention and so much love and you know, I just think it's amazing what he does.
Okay, what is your personal response when you see at times that he's maybe criticized unfairly?
Yeah.
How do you, and he's a very emotional person.
Yeah.
How do you respond to it as someone who's known him since you were 2 years?
Yeah. I obviously feel bad because I think he's such an amazing person and he's trying his best and he's doing so many things and he's so good at what he does. Like I don't think he's ever done anything wrong or hurt anyone. So I feel bad when anyone gets treated unfairly for like, you know, no fault of theirs when people are just trolling and hating for no reason. But he's very strong and he has such amazing things happening in his life and he's surrounded by such lovely, positive people. So he's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Vikram from Baroda. Ananya, you look like, I think he means look like because it's mentioned, Ananya, you like Angelina Jolie kind of girl, smart and action-packed. So when we can see you full-fledged action role,
Wow.
Angelina Jolie.
I mean, I just did a film with Tiger and I could barely lift my leg in comparison to him. So I really have to work on that aspect, but maybe soon. And maybe with Tiger only.
Okay, this is Ganesh Sarki from Pune, Maharashtra. Whom do you think is more handsome, Aryan Khan or Ibrahim Ali Khan? Please don't say both. Choose anyone.
Aryan. He's my age. Ibrahim's younger than me.
Ananya, lovely talking to you.
Nice speaking to you.
And thank you very much for your time and congratulations once again for the success of Student of the Year Part 2 and everything good that is happening. And looking forward to Pati Patni Aur Wo. And I'm sure that already itna buzz hai picture ke liye.
Yeah, I know now. All the
And,
memes keep making it.
So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having
Thank
me.
you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Ananya Pandey and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.